Welcome back TechWell family. Today we are going to see about one of the most asked interview question in database like SQL, Oracle, Sybase, or PLSQL, MySQL, etc. So let's see what is the question and what is the answer for that. So the question is, what is the difference between count star and count of one, or what is the difference between count star, count of one, and count of column name, particular column. So let's see what is the answer for that. So now I'm going to create a table called test, and the table containing only one column, that is called varchar. So table created. Now I'm going to insert few records in the table including null values. So now I'm going to insert null values. Okay. Now rows are inserted. Let's see what is the output for that. So now totally 6 rows are inserted in this table. Now let's see what is count star, and count one is what returning, and count of a particular column name what is returning. Now I am added count of some different values because this is not a column, because some people are considering the first means first column, second means second column, like that. So I am mentioning like 99999 like that. So that means I'm not created any column. So let's execute this query. So see, count star, it's returning 6 record. Count of 1 also it is returning 6 record. Count of triple nine, like a triple nine triple nine, also returning 6 record. But count of particular column name returning only 5 record. That means count, if we are passing particular column name in the count statement, it will return only non-null values. So it will skip null values. That is the difference between count star and count one and count of column name. So let's explain difference between count star and count one. Means there is nothing, there is no difference between count star and count one, because it will give same amount of result and same amount of time it will take to execute. So there is no difference between count star and count one. But count of column name, it will skip the null values. That is the main difference between count star, count one, and count of column name. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel to get more information like this kind of tricky questions, and comment me if you have any query. Thank you all. Bye.